Tools are where AI agents go from chatbots to actual systems. But here's the problem. Most frameworks make tool debugging a nightmare, and they don't have proper dependency injection. Pydantic AI solved both. I'll show you the dependency injection pattern that makes production agents reliable, and why RunContext is the killer feature nobody talks about. In Pydantic AI, a tool is just a decorated Python function. Use the agent.toolDecorator. Give it a RunContext parameter for dependencies. Add your business logic parameters with type hints, and return a typed value. That's the entire tool API. No special classes, no complex registration, no magic. The LLM sees the function name and docstring as its description. The type hints define what it can pass in and what it gets back. RunContext is Pydantic AI's dependency injection system, and it's elegant. You define a data class with all the services your agent needs: database, Redis, auth service, HTTP client, whatever. You pass that type to the agent constructor as deps_type. Then every tool receives a RunContext typed to your data class. This means your tools are pure functions. They don't hold state. They don't have globals. They receive their dependencies explicitly, which makes them testable, mockable, and debuggable. This is how production agents should be built. Pydantic AI supports both sync and async tools natively. You mix them freely. Use async for anything I/O bound: database queries, HTTP calls, Redis lookups. Use sync for CPU bound work, calculations, data transformations, string processing. The agent run loop handles the mixing automatically. If you're running async tools in a sync context, Pydantic AI wraps them correctly. You don't need to think about it. Just write the right kind of function for the job. One of the most powerful patterns: adding tools dynamically based on context. Imagine a customer support agent. An admin user should have access to account modification tools. A regular user shouldn't even know those tools exist. With Pydantic AI, you create the agent, then conditionally register tools based on the user's permissions before running it. The LLM only sees the tools that are actually available. No prompt injection to access hidden tools, no authorization bypasses. The access control is structural, not just instructional. System prompts in Pydantic AI can be static strings or dynamic functions. The static version is simple: pass instructions to the agent constructor. The dynamic version uses the system_prompt decorator, which receives RunContext and can build the prompt from live data. This is powerful for multi-tenant systems. Each merchant or customer gets a system prompt that includes their specific context: their name, their policies, their product catalog. One agent definition: infinite customization at runtime. Let's tie it all together with a real commerce agent. We define a commerce services data class with catalog, cart, and payment services. We create the agent with deps_type set to commerce services. We add 3 async tools: search, catalog, add to cart, and checkout. Each tool receives RunContext typed to commerce services, calls the appropriate service, and returns a typed result. The agent can now handle a complete purchase flow: search, select, checkout, entirely through tool calls. No hard-coded logic, no scripted flows. The LLM decides which tools to call and in what order, based on the user's intent. That's what makes it an agent, not just a chatbot.